Hi, I'm Anna from the Math Learning Lab, and in this video I'll be showing you how to find a confidence interval for a mean in StatCrunch. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the drop-down menu that says Stat, and then you're either going to click Z-Stats or T-Stats depending on the sample size that you have. So usually a rule of thumb is if you have a sample size of 30 or larger, you're going to use Z-Stats. For a smaller sample size, you're going to use T. But for this data set, it seems to be pretty large, so I'm gonna go to ZStat. I'm gonna do one sample, and then with data, if I'm planning to use all the data that I have in this set. Sometimes your professor will give you a question where they just give you a sample mean, a standard deviation, and a sample size. So in that case, you will just enter those three numbers here. And then you're gonna always click confidence interval for a mean. That's what this mu symbol is. And then depending on your confidence level, you might have to change this decimal. So it should say 95% confidence, but in some cases it could say 99%. And in that case, you would just change this to say 0.99. I'll show you how to do it for data here now. So I'm gonna go to ZStat, one sample with data, and then we can just choose number of siblings, for example. And then same thing, you would just hit confidence interval and change your confidence level if need be. And then you can just go ahead and hit compute. So then in our output here, it gives us our sample size, which was 2021 in this case. So good thing we used ZStat. And then we have a sample mean, a standard error, and then the lower and the upper limit is your confidence interval itself. So essentially what this is telling us is that we have 95% confidence that our population mean is going to be between the limits of 3.5 and 3.7. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos from the Math Learning Lab.